Let's talk about a term called LCD. You may have heard this relative to computer displays, smartphones, that sort of thing. It stands for liquid crystal display. Liquid crystal display. Now, we'll get into a little bit of nerdy stuff about what liquid crystals are. But first, let's just look at the fact that it's a display. Since computers were developed, computer manufacturers and device manufacturers have been searching for better and better ways to provide a display to the user of the computer. And various technologies have been created along that line. Now, one of the primary concerns with a display is how much energy does it use? How much electricity is required to make that display show the information? Now, there are other concerns as well. You want to be concerned with how clear is the image that you represent, because these images on displays are typically composed of individual dots called pixels that are laid out in rows that are, laid horizontally, and then they stack up and put them all together with the right color on each pixel, and now you have an image. So that's a concern, but power consumption of the device is also a concern, the electricity consumption. One of the cool things about this display technology device, called LCD or liquid crystal display, is it doesn't take much electricity to make it work. Now, you can get into a lot of really gnarly, nerdy science about how liquid crystal works. But at the end of the day, it's just simply one more way to make a display. It's one more way specifically to make that individual spot called a pixel that can be controlled as to what color it represents. Anything across the spectrum. And when you add all of those up in a big giant grid, now you have an image. And if you have, 60 or 120 of those that change every second of those images, now you have video content. It's all about the display and putting visual information on a display. But that's what liquid crystal display is. It's a physical technology for making those individual display devices that can be used for any kind of graphic display. There are lots of other technologies. Some are better, some are worse. It's, frankly a matter of opinion and what are the factors involved. If you don't care about electricity consumption, well, LCD may not be a big deal for you. But if you've got a little teeny handheld device that runs on batteries, well, maybe it is a big deal. So that's LCD, liquid crystal display.